Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing SiriusXM as compared to iHeart as compared to Pandora and which streaming service reigns supreme. Now, I like to say that you cannot declare a single streaming service supreme. They all have their individual features and pros and cons, of course. As you can see here, SiriusXM, iHeartRadio, and Pandora, they all cater to different preferences. SiriusXM stands out for its comprehensive selection of satellite radio content, while iHeartRadio offers a vast library of podcasts and radio stations, where Pandora, which by the way is now owned by SiriusXM, is known for its personalized music recommendations through the Music Genome product. So, of course, SiriusXM has a wide variety of music, sports, and news to talk about. It has a lot of unique features such as satellite radio and certain streaming options. iHeartRadio is more towards podcast selection and a large library of on-demand music, whereas Pandora, which again is simply owned by SiriusXM, has its own personalized music recommendations according to the Music Genome product. So of course, each of these have their own benefits. Go ahead and choose which one that would suit you. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.